Computer network. A computer network is a group of interconnected computing devices capable of sending or receiving data. A computer network is also capable of sharing resources. That resources can be printer, scanner, file server, or any other things. A computing device is not just a computer, it is any device that can run a program, such as tablet, phone, or television. The simplest computer network is two devices connected to each other physically that can share data over the physical connection in a format they both understand. When we add more devices in this network, we can share data among various devices. So we can say that a large number of devices connected worldwide is an internet. A computer network can share data between connected nodes either with cables or wirelessly using a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc.